Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will show how to install Java JDK in our laptop in Windows 10. So firstly, I'll check whether Java is installed in my system or not. So for that, here we have got search option. I'll open the command prompt. For that, I'll write here cmd and hit enter. And here I will write the command java version. So here we can see Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. That means Java is not installed in our laptop. Okay, so for that, now let's install Java JDK. Okay, so firstly we have to open our browser. Okay, so I'm using Chrome browser here. I'll write here Java JDK download, hit enter, and here we can see the first link from the www.oracle.com. Okay, so I'll click on the first link here, and in here in the home page we can see Java 22, 21 and Java 17 is available now. Okay, so at the time of the recording of this video, the latest version is Java JDK 22. Okay, so I'll click on the Windows and here I click on 64 installer. Okay, so I'll click here and download the executable file here. So let it download. Till then I'm stopping the recording. I'll start it again once it is downloaded. Okay, so our Java JDK 22 executable file is downloaded. So I'll open the downloads folder here now, and here we can see it got downloaded. So let's install JDK. So I'll double click on it. So here you will get the pop-up. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? So just click on yes. So after clicking on yes, we will get this option. Okay, this pop-up we will get. Welcome to the installation wizard for Java SE Development Kit 22. Okay, so I'll just simply click on next. Then here the installation path is program files Java, then JDK 22. Okay, so we can change the path also from here, but I'll recommend not to change this. Okay, then I'll click on next. Now let it install. Okay, so we can see here successfully installed. Now I'll click on close. Then after that, the next step is I'll click open the folder here, and I'll go to the installation path, that is program files. Then here we'll be able to see the Java folder here, and we can see JDK 22. Okay, so I'll open it, and inside that we have bin folder. I'll simply copy it. Okay, copy, and now here in the search option write edit system environment variables. Okay, so double click on it and open, and here we will be able to see environment variables. Simply click on it and open, and here we have got two options: user variables for admin and the system variables. So in the system variables, search for path. Okay, and double click on it, and after that click on new and just paste the path which you have copied from here. Okay, from here. Then after that just click on OK, and the next step is to create the variable. Okay, so create the variable as java underscore home, and variable value as paste the same thing, and this time delete the bin and click on OK, and after that click on OK and OK. And now let's check whether our Java JDK 22 is installed in our Windows 10 or not. So I'll write the command java version. So this time we can see Java version 22. Okay, it is properly installed in our laptop. So if you are able to see this prompt, then that means Java JDK is installed in your laptop properly. Okay, and one more thing, the same steps you can follow to install Java JDK of any version. Okay, this time we have installed 22. Okay, we have to follow the same steps for all the operating system. Okay, that is Windows 7, 8, 10 or 11. Okay, so I hope you guys liked the video and it helped you to install the Java JDK. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We'll meet soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.